going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, F80 Danny is actually on the way over to my crib right now, and we're going to be installing some new parts on his Avus Blue F80 M3. Kona wanted to be a part of the intro as well. You guys notice I'm actually vlogging off my new camera, my new Sony a7 III. So let me know what you guys think about the sound quality and the video quality. It's freaking amazing because it's dual purpose for photos and video now. But yeah, I definitely need a tripod because this lens is too zoomed in. But yeah, as you guys can see, my F80 is outside of the garage right now. My F80 is outside the garage, all parked up. And then I'll give you guys another update. My bumper is actually off because I am doing a continuation of a headlight video that I put together for you guys that I have not finished yet because of some unforeseen things. But here is my driver's side Ikon headlight out of the car. But let me give you guys a rundown before Danny gets here. Here is my F80. We are missing the front bumper and the lip, which are in the garage. And like I just told you guys, the Ikon headlight is out right now because I am working on it. What do you guys think about this front bumper delete? Ready for drift week. Or instead of drift week, should we leave the headlight out and then put a third turbo right there? Triple turbo F80 M3, world's first. Headlight delete. No, I'm fucking with you guys. But yeah, Danny's on the way over here now. We got Kona and I just chilling. Glorious day in Florida right now. Sun is shining. Kona, what do you guys say? Anything? If this is your first time watching, my name is Viet, otherwise known as F80 Ho. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I invite you to hit that thumbs up and subscribe for future content. Yeah, just waiting for Danny to come over now. Super excited to show you guys what mods he's gonna be installing. I was gonna go ahead and tell you, but I'm gonna wait for him to come over here and then he can explain it himself. But yeah, stay tuned. All right, before Danny and I start working on our cars, Jenna's gonna fuel us up with some Chick-fil-A MVP. Thanks for getting Chick-fil-A. Look who just arrived. Let's go. It's vlogging on the Sony, on the Avus Blue. Yes, sir.
A little dirty.
Good. As long as that mirror clears, you're good. You're good. You're good. Check out the Avus Blue in the garage. Sheesh. As well as the Chick-fil-A. Let's go. Alright, Danny, tell the people what we're installing today.
Install day, boys. So here we have new to me, 3Design side skirts.
Sheesh.
These were the favorite that I chose out of all the design. Check it out, check it out. Got the logo right there.
Damn, you guys see it? These are baller side skirts, by the way.
Absolutely.
Guys, look up the price.
Yeah, these shits brand new cost about $2,500–$3,000. That's not what your boy paid. I got a fire deal. I had to drive all the way out to West Palm for them, but it was well worth
100% worth it.
Last exterior part that I'm probably doing for now kind of ties everything together. Has a diffuser, wing, front lip, side skirts. So I put 2 coats of ceramic coating on them, so they should be good to go.
Hell yeah. It's going to tie everything together, all the aero. And then tell the people what we're going to be installing probably in a week or a couple weeks.
So I also have OEM CST lights on the way.
Sheesh.
So that was an endgame mod for me.
Hell
really
yeah.
wanted those. Not a lot of people really run them, and I was able to get a really good deal. So
hell yeah.
That's coming up next. Stay tuned.
Hell yeah. Like I said, Paul, his brother, had them, and they look so sick on his car. Danny had to cop them too. But now we're going to install these side skirts. Let's go. Check out the plate.
F55.
Comment down below, how is this not taken in Florida? All these Florida people. But yo, check it out. S55, and he got the heat plate. It's gonna look so sick
Doesn't get better than
on his car. But S55, how's that not even taken? It's crazy. Alright, checking in with you guys. Danny is applying another layer of 3M for that added protection. You guys can see here, he already added 1 strip on the inner side, and now he's adding a strip to the outside right here. That way when we mock it up, it'll be held on by itself, and then we'll just self-tap the rest. So it should be pretty straightforward.
Good to go. Just ready.
It's ready. since we are low boys now, we're probably gonna have to jack up the car either on the front or the rear, and then we're gonna have to self-tap around the jack, and then we might have to move it to the front to self-tap where the jack was. But since we're so low, we can't really fit my drill under there, and I had to do the same with my car too, so it should be pretty easy.
Good.
Yeah, pretty flush to me.
Oh yeah, it's fucking perfect.
Alright, update for you guys. We just mocked up the side skirt. That looks sick, by the way, with some 3M. We put some on the inner side as well as the outer, so that's what it's held on by now. And now we're gonna jack up the car and then self-tap where the pre-drilled holes are. So this thing's definitely not going anywhere. It looks so sick already. Definitely complements the Aero. Alright, Danny's just mocking up some self-taps with some rubber washers. Car is jacked up, and basically there's pre-drilled holes already. I think there's like 9 of them, he said, and he's just gonna drill into that. And that should be it. And then right here there is like a hole that he's gonna mount by, but you can either go on each side and drill or just skip it, because there's already 9. It's kind of overkill, but I think it's definitely not gonna go anywhere.
Yeah, it's looking really good so far, so.
I'm making Danny wrench on his own car right now.
Let's go.
He's just drilling the self-taps into the bumper. Making it nice and snug.
Yeah, that rubber washer really helps.
Oh yeah.
She ain't going anywhere.
Nice. Alright, skirt number 1 is on. Danny's gonna mock up number 2, and then we'll catch up with you guys.
Yes, sir.
But you guys comment down below, what do you guys think? Let me get a little wider for you guys. The V-style lip, 3Design side skirts, just go hand in hand. They complement each other so well. Carbon for life. Let's go. Man's trying to back it without scraping. Sheesh. He's backing in so we can do the other side. Oh, you're good. Cleared it. He was backing up, and I saw how close my lip comes to actually hitting the cement when I pull out, because he has the same lip as me, so that shit was nerve-wracking. Avus though. This is why I never back into my garage, because it's so fucking narrow, and I'm scared I'm going to hit my mirror every time. Our next house is definitely gonna have a double garage, but this middle section right here is gonna be gone because, yeah, it makes backing in impossible. Or that's why I park forwards every time.
Yeah, that was close.
Sketchy, sketchy.
Centimeter.
And now we're back, and we're gonna do the other side. Side skirt number 2 going in.
All right, so we'll just like test fit it. Get the fit perfect. Easier to splash.
Sun's gone down. Mission accomplished finally. Second side skirt is on. About to reinforce it with some self taps and then call it a day.
Yeah.
But yeah, the sun. Like, comment, subscribe. The sunset's fine.
The sunsets. Jeez, with the HREs. Get the HREs. Yeah.
Let's go. That looks sick on the camera. Holy shit. Alright, just wrapped up the install. Look at these bad boys. The fitment is perfect.
Literally
perfect.
Shout out 3Design.
Shout out 3Design. Ties the whole car together, as you guys can see. And then install was super easy. We just had a lot of intermissions. A lot of intermissions. Oh, on this side you can see him perfectly.
With the light on the wall?
Yeah, the design is so subtle, super flat, and the quality, you can just tell it's just like high quality carbon fiber. So I know Danny's super stoked about that. Yeah, on the light, looks sick. Oh, also one more thing, show the people.
Check it out, boys. S55 Miami Heat plate.
Damn. One of one.
One of one.
It looks hard with 3 letters.
For real.
3 letters looks way better. I'm not changing mine. Make sure you guys follow my boy.
Yes, sir. F80_Danny.
I'll put it right here on the screen.
Yeah.
More mods to come in the next couple weeks.
Yes, stay tuned. We are going to be installing CS taillights, so that's going to be fire.
What else? Are you gonna empty the wallets for Christmas?
We're gonna empty the wallets. It's the holidays. Empty the wallets on the family.
True. All right, good shit.
Yeah, right.
All right, but that's gonna wrap it up for this week's video. Thanks, shout out to Danny for coming over. Yes, sir. Creating some content. But make sure you guys drop a like, comment down below what you guys think about the side skirts, and we'll see you on next week's video. Peace.